The man filming this video is about to be struck by a very large tornado. The man filming the video, Eric Carlisle, and his partner were both operating a train today in Lincoln, Nebraska. Watch as this large and strong tornado impacts the train that they're in and as they ride it out from the cockpit of the front of the train. It's a crazy video, and I would definitely recommend always staying away from windows. Luckily, both of them are safe with an incredible video and story to tell.
Should we get away from the windows? Take the cover.
Right over us.
Yeah.
Move it on.
We'll have a car on the ground?
We're gonna have something on the ground, I guarantee we will. Crack the shit out of our windows. Get shit all on the thing. Shattered my window.
Yeah, I see.
Oh, it's a double plane window.
We're in emergency.
Yeah, I'm sure it knocked the car over. Let me see. Yeah, we got trees and everything else behind us. Yeah. Yeah, it knocked the car over.